What's up, TIs? TIs. How you doing? Whew. You weren't too many perps today, are you kidding? I wore my special pants today. I mean, maybe because I was packing there. I know there's so much traffic down the block because of the construction. And you can't walk on the sidewalk either. But I did see a couple perps here and there. And some handlers. You know, I guess as long as we see them right, that's all that counts. I'm wearing a red shirt. I just saw one of the old Masons who's wearing a blue hoodie like me. Red. I did it on purpose. I left it open right before I came back. A car that was black had red a little bit. Pulled up. But usually they play blast music, you know? But didn't do it this time. But I did see a perp waiting on the other side of the block. I think if I have time on Friday, get my coffee. I could get lunch too, but I mean, I could eat my lunch, don't finish my coffee, and then walk over across the street to that big building. That's where all the gangstalkers like to hang out. They turned a drug addict, a new drug addict, into a perp. Completely strung out. Walking around like you know, he's strung out. He's wearing bright red sweatpants with a blue top tucked in. He's asking people for money. But you know, they always, when they get rid of one homeless person, they gotta put more. Because there was the guy there, the older guy. And he put his hand down his pants. The older guy. And they call the ambulance because somebody saw something. They call the ambulance on him. So, and I saw a couple of new homeless people when I went to the other deli, where the other drunken fools hang out. When I was crossing the street, I saw them, and then I didn't see them again. So they were just there for me to see them. You know, they're all possessed, these people. I know it's the AI technology, but it's possession also. So I'm starting to see faces of people that do witchcraft on me. They go to the mansions. Whatever handler has a mansion, they all gather in there. In one big room, there's a big table. We got the long stem candles, some short candles, some skull. You know, just a regular human skull. But then they usually put goat heads on there too, goat head skulls. Unfortunately, they use crystals too. So I don't do that collective. I don't do nothing else with them. So they don't heal you. God heals you. Jesus heals you, actually. Jesus Christ. So, if you don't know that by now, hopefully you will one day. So, I had my appointment at the house. Put my clothes away. You know, trying to do at least one chore. I had to make an appointment. You know, these things you have to do every once in a while, right? No big deal. So, during the prayer video, it was breaking witchcraft curses against you. There's a lot of the witches and warlocks out there. They stop your blessings. They don't even have to look. See, I still don't talk about it. Red cause, have the red cause. I just saw them too not too long ago. See how they got the red sticking out? Yeah. He got the hand in his pocket and yellow one smoking a cigarette. Yeah, that's what perps do. They walk around with one hand in their pocket. If you're not a perp, you're not gonna, do that. So it's a Masonic thing. It's a hidden hand. So anyway, that's why you see a lot of handlers and perps doing that. And then I saw one guy hanging up at the building over there. And he, just chilling with his hood up. He was waiting for the handler. And he had a water hand in his pocket. He's smoking, so, I didn't videotape him. Because he wasn't staring at me. Not if he was staring at me like, if he was going to punch me or something. Then I'd have to say something and videotape. So, there's so many blessings out there that you're supposed to be getting. So when you repent of whatever sin you did, like a really bad one, and you don't do it ever again, you close the portals that the demons can come through. They legally have a right to go in there and do stuff to you if you do these bad things. But they put that in your head to do it. So it's like a double whammy. But when you close them, for some reason the witches and warlocks, they know that you close them. So they do stuff to make it open up again so that they can do stuff to you. I mean, I know for a fact it's true because Witchy Poo keeps doing shit to me still. She knows when I'm leaving the house and when I'm coming home. She knows. So she leaves at like 7:45 in the morning. I see from the camera. I see her walking past. Today I didn't see it. But right before I left, it was about 1:30, 1:45-ish, I want to say. So I'm walking out, and I stop over here, like right by the pole, and I saw her coming. She was coming from whatever grocery store. It's a couple blocks away. I don't really go anywhere in the neighborhood, really. When they used to have Fine Fade, yes, but I go to pretty far. So she's coming up the block as I'm about to walk over. A big smile on her face, of course, the Jezebel spirit. So I'm standing there by the pole, and I videotape her reaction to me standing there. She took so long to get in the house. It was not even funny. Like, she stood on the porch instead of getting her key ready and just going in the house. No. She stood on the porch and she stood on the porch the whole time. Kept turning back around to look at me. I have it on video. But since I did the flip on my cell phone, I'm not going to post the video. And you can't really see her too much anyway. She's a little far. But you've seen her. When I sit here, when I come back from Dunkin', I sit here. As soon as I do that, she comes up the block. So I've had a couple of videos of her doing that. Then a couple of videos of her son pulling up to the house, or the father pulling up to the house, as I'm sitting here. They know. You gotta get stopped. He tried that shit. Yeah, that was a car in front of him. And that's what I'm talking about. So she wouldn't just go straight in the house, right? So I ended up passing her. I was gonna wait for her to go in and then walk, but she didn't. She just stood there for like an hour. I don't even know how long. I'm just saying. Like, why wouldn't you go right in? You put your bags down, you get your key, open the door, and you go in. You pick your bags back up, you go back inside, right? That's the normal thing to do. That's what we do. That's the car that always comes around at night. Now he's gonna come around later today. Usually comes around like 4 times. Especially right before I record, Like, he wants me to see him. And then he doesn't come around if I'm recording. He comes around. It's weird. This is what they do, though. This is their job. So, So I kept walking. As I'm walking past it, I said, I plead the blood of Jesus Christ all over me. And I kept walking. So when I got to Dunkin', I was sitting there, I ordered my food, my coffee. And I'm sitting there waiting. Regular people came in. Not one perp came in. They walked past Dunkin', so I could see them. But I had just literally just washed this coat. I spilled something on it. This is my hoodie. So I literally just took out the wash and then put it on. It's dry. Okay. Anyway, so anyway, I opened my zipper. I unzipped my jacket so I wouldn't spill it anymore. So that's when the perps got to see my, red shirt. Speaking of, see, matching me. Like my camouflage pants, dude. I gonna tell you, Hammer. Red and black and blue. See, they love to fucking copy me with the blue. See how he's got the hidden hand in his pocket? That's right. Oh, he's calling the Hammer. I love catching perps. You ever see, I don't know if it's, I think it's Family Guy, actually. When he's sitting with the cop and he's checking their speed. Oh, look what house he's going to. See? It's my neighbors. Back in the day, we used to get to know our neighbors. Now they do this, now they're getting stuck. The first perp I really saw today was Booty Bandit with his father. And a car pulled up to the corner as he was walking. And so I thought it was, a handler. It was somebody buying the stuff that he was selling. Sucks to be them, because I would have bought at least 2 bags of that stuff. That stuff is good. But knowing that, they're into witchcraft, and I'm not buying that shit. I don't trust nobody now with that or anything. There's a bracelet. Supposedly it's good luck, the bracelet. So people give out these special bracelets for people's birthdays and whatnot. This is part of the video I was watching. The video I was watching today. This woman was teaching about what they do when they're doing witchcraft on you. She had a coworker. Her coworker gave her this bracelet. That was pretty, the bracelet. She had her car bracelet. She looked at it. For some reason, she knew that there was witchcraft attached to it. It was a beaded bracelet. Usually the people, the celebrities and all that, they worship Buddha, because they have the red string. So it's part of that. But it's witchcraft version of it. So it's a beaded bracelet, beaded bracelet. I don't know if there's a specific color it goes with, but she said thank you, and she threw it out. And that's what you're supposed to do. When somebody gives you a gift and you have a bad feeling about it, you throw it right out. What I would do is I would make a video about it first and show you what it looks like, and then probably take a picture just so I can remember what it looks like, just in case I get it again, and then throw it out. You know what I mean? I like to have certain things, for proof. Like when Winchie Pooh would put bread on my windowsill, I would take a picture of it and I would give you the heads up, make a video about it. So when the prayer was over, I agreed and declared that in Jesus Christ's name. Because she said they're blocking your blessings, and it's true. I don't know how long ago it was. I think it was like a month ago. I was blocked. I knew something was blocking my blessings. I just knew. I don't know who did it, or when they did it, or why they did it, but I was like, somebody's blocking something. Because you know when you have an itchy hand, that was supposed to mean like you're getting money. So I'm like, okay, I think that's what it is. I think I'm getting something with money. So I wrote everything down, my whole dream. I rebuked it in Jesus Christ's name. I said, I'm going to take back my, my blessings from the witches and the warlocks. I said something like that. I forgot what it was. And wouldn't you know it, I played scratch offs. I won $15, and then the next time I won $45. Imagine that shit. They were trying to take that away from me. Because they play scratch offs every day. I play it once a month. And I usually don't win. And then even the scanner, there was scan code on the bottom, almost didn't work in the machine. I was like, damn, I scratched it off. I said $45 between two cards. It was $45. And the other time after that was $15 between the two. So I was like, that's why I bought like 4 at a time that time, because I knew I was gonna win. I don't know, I had a feeling I was gonna win. But then I knew, somebody was trying to take it away from me. Imagine that shit. I don't really play those games. I just wanted to play it because they had dogs on it. It was cute. It's called Lucky Dog. They're so cute, the dogs. I love dogs. So I'm like, alright, I'm gonna play those. Second time I ever played it, I won $5. So I know I could win on those. So I'm like, that's a guarantee right there. So you're damn right I'm gonna play these games. These scratch offs. That's what I'm doing. Like, I don't spend money every single 5 seconds I get it. Like, I take some money out of the bank and leave that to where I need it. And then sometimes I get a scratch roll, sometimes I buy like something like candy or something. I'm very selective with my money now. Because, sometimes things come up and you're like scrambling around to get money. And you're like, well, how am I getting money? And you gotta check your bank account, and you gotta take money out to pay. Some things still need cash. Let's just be real right now. That guy came around yesterday. His friend was wearing a black hoodie. So red and black, so. And I already saw him earlier. But that could usually be coincidental, because if you see, he's got a laundry bag, I mean, I wouldn't put it past him, but I'm just saying. I don't know what's going on. What is going on? You'll block my driveway now, right? Of course you are. Oh, I'm shocked you didn't. Seems like a man. See, wearing red. She's got a red bag. If I could zoom in. I don't know who this is. That family that used to come, that comes around every day still. The ones that took pictures in front of my house, they don't live there no more. I guess these people live there now. People always move into the neighborhood like in the middle of the night. That's how you know they're perps. I've noticed when people move, into a neighborhood, they usually move during the day. And they usually say hi to you. But these people, they don't say hi. That's why my good neighbor next door at the top floor, when he moved in to the neighborhood, he said, hi, how are you? So-and-so. And then I introduced myself, and there you go. That's it. That's how real people do it. That's why you beep that bitch. It's actually pretty cold today. I think I just need more iron. I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna upload this video after I go in. I really want to take a nap, but I can't because I have to get up early again tomorrow. I got up very early today. I shouldn't be standing in the middle of the street, first of all. Why can't she just go around talk to the driver from this side? Then she wouldn't have to move. There you go. Lord have mercy. Use your damn brain, though. Like, people tell me I don't use my brain. That was a dumbass move too. I don't want to turn into these mushy people, these mush brains. Usually, when somebody pulls up to your house, you walk around to the passenger side and then they open the window and then you guys talk. That's how it's always been. Anyways. Yeah, I feel bad for these homeless people though sometimes. Not all the time, but they're drug addicts. You know. You have to really be screwed up in the head to even try drugs. But even though this homeless guy looked like he's wearing clean clothes, I bet you he's not newly homeless. He was somewhere else in the neighborhood. And then a handler took him in and gave him clothes. I'm telling you, that's what they do. As I usually watch videos from other people's perspective on how these perps get paid and how they even get, together, how they get the perps and all that kind of stuff. And because some of them are homeless, they tell their stories and, they say they fell on hard times, they become drug addicts, on the street. And people ask them if you wanted to make money, this is what you would have to do, I'll give you more drugs. Some of them refused. And they got, some of them got put in a psych ward too. Oh, American flag team. Always with the American flag. There you go. Another one they honk the horn. It satisfies me. I sound like a Disney villain. It could be my origin story. Damn. See, they're too cowardly to come here and do it. That's why they do it down the block or up the block. Cowards. Oh man, look, everybody's got blue now. The cars are blue now too. All because I'm wearing my blue hoodie. See the American flag? I don't know if you can see it. Oh, if I could zoom in, that'd be great. Yeah, of course not. How is it? Yeah, now he went in the car. You can't even see it. Beep. Beep, beep. Oh, yeah. Hi. Beep, beep, beep. Yeah, well, you see how the guy leaves his car door open? They do that on purpose. I think he's a handler. He has an American flag on his shirt. Where the hell my shirts are? A whole bunch of American flag shirts. My old Navy. We used to have like the 4th of July American flag shirts. I think it's time to buy some more. S'mores. It was funny, when I left Stalking, I put my leg up on the railing so they could see my nice camouflage pants. I could wear them tomorrow. I don't even sweat today, so they ain't dirty. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna wear them tomorrow at the gym. Hey, they walk past the gym all the time with wearing camouflage, so I can do it too now. Man, the perps are really all boring with me right now.